People are lovely. It's very quiet. I felt like I was landing in a desert. So we got on at the airport and we got on a bus that was supposed to take us to a particular area so then we could go to our accommodation. I think the driver forgot to drop us off and no one speaks English. Guys, if you're coming here, just make sure you have at least basic Italian or something, because no one's, so far I haven't come across anyone that does speak English apart from someone at the airport. So yeah, but he's now put us in a car and I don't know if it's his private car or something, but he's now taking us to our actual destination rather than dropping us off at a station because he forgot to drop us off. So I think he's being nice, and if that's him being nice, then that's great. If I'm going to be kidnapped and murdered and stuff and buried 6 feet under a school somewhere, that's not great, but it is what it is. I'll keep you guys updated. We didn't get kidnapped, but now we need to find our accommodation. Currently on a Segway having a tour of Old Bari, I think, Old Town. It's not bad, it's not bad at all. But Jesus Christ, okay, there's a lot of people now. I don't know how I'm gonna get through this. Maybe I should put the camera down. Let's see if I can get through. Yeah, I managed to do it. I managed to do it. It's so windy. But whew. Actually I need it. I've turned like 3 shades darker. Oh.
Came to Italy, came to Bari, and their arrival strongly changes the balance that cities in Italy had found. And so Abatelia had to find a way, well, to make Bari great again, as someone said some years ago. And it thought about St. Nicholas because, you know, St. Nicholas was a really international saint, and so he would have attracted a lot of people. So basically, that looks amazing. That looks so good. When you come to the land of pizza and pasta, you have got to basically see how it's made. So let's go and do that. So as you can, my helmet's not the best. As you can see, ladies are actually making pasta live in front of everybody. And let's check out some of the work that they've already done. Look, the different shapes. Take them home.
guys, what do you think of my attempt of making pasta? That's how it should look like. And this is what it looks like when I've done it. What do you think? Give me your thoughts. So basically, Auntie over here has made us some pasta. Thankfully not made from mine.
No.
Let's give it a go. That was really good. Mind my hair, it's all over the place. I had a helmet on, but wow. It's not like how you get it anywhere in England. It's true. Pasta in Italy is another thing. Can't compare it to England. Now I know why they're so protective over their food. It's damn good, look.
To play Tarantella music from Bari Vecchia. Hello, my name is Vito. I collaborate Velo Service 10 years already to show the customers our typical music, Tarantella. The roots of the Tarantella in Bari Vecchia, is very, very old. We play this instrument before Jesus Christ, 300 years before Jesus Christ, when he was Bacchus' party. Bacchus is the god of wine. Glu, 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 glu. And we make, I keep this new song still now. Quindi come like traditional Bari, very, very old, very, very old. And I keep this new song still now. After 2000 years, I play the same things like my father, old father.
So you open the door. Oh, we've got Auntie actually coming up or something. Yeah, so this is just a normal street, I suppose. Actually, yesterday we did have. Oh, look at the doggies here. Hello. Hello. He doesn't look very happy. I don't know if I should be standing here right now. But the dog's here. Oh, it's so cute. That is so cute. I think I just got shouted at by Uncle. He looked at my camera and he said something in Italian and then went, yeah, he's not happy. I think Uncle needs to enjoy an aubergine as well. Lucky you're not in London though. I think he's now doing my name, so I'm gonna go and have a look and see how my name is getting on.
Where do you come from?
London.
London.
Yeah. How long have you been doing this?
How long?
How long?
Many times. Many years ago.
Yes. Uncle also does woodwork and makes puppets. He does puppet shows as well. Very talented indeed. I mean, this is some great work here.
Sono quando sera dindoliet, dindoliet, dindoliet. Quando sera dindoliet, dindoliet, dindoliet. Quando sera dindoliet.
this works. So we're trying to find a place to go munch. You can actually tell that this place is not a flat land. There's there's a lot of ups and downs over here. But let's see. Thank the Lord I'm short son, because this is a hot day today, mate. Here. We're here. We're here. And it's blimmin' hot, man. It's burning. It's burning. So coming up, this place looked like it was in the middle of a western, like maybe like a Mexican desert or something. And they've actually kept that theme going. Look at that. So, came to Italy and I had to order myself a carbonara. Now, I always get insulted when I'm in London, when I'm at work, because I order a chicken carbonara. Okay, calm down, relax. Let's see what the real carbonara is all about. Oh, that's good. Actually really good. That's some good stuff. The chili flakes on the top really do add a bit more to it, more my kind of food. But now I know why Italians get upset when I order a chicken carbonara, I think. I asked for an ice cream and Auntie gave me a parcel. It's kind of cute. It's kind of nice. I think I have to open it to get the ice cream out. So let's see. We're going in with this. It's like, and it's my birthday today, so it's like a birthday present. Opening up. Okay, it's covered again, so I'm gonna need to maybe I need to. That looks amazing. That doesn't even look like ice cream. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, well, you really need to try it. Let's have a look. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to take a little bit of this ice cream. Oh, it was coated. Oh, it's coated. Look at that. It's amazing, that. Let's try pistachio ice cream. Wow. That's good, man. That's not even that sweet. You can taste how fresh it is. Oh, that's good. That's amazing. So, actually getting ready to do some pedaling. I'm gonna go around Matera for a bit.
Parmigiano cheese and white truffle.
Amazing.
Prego.
I got a nice taste to it.
And truffle sauce, the classic sauce with black truffle and mushroom.
Well done, Italy. Smashed it. Look at this. It's really cool here. It's like 27, 28 degrees, but so cool amongst the stones. So last evening in Italy, and decided to go for a KFC sauce. KFC called Too Hot to Handle. Being of the Indian ethnicity, I'm gonna try it. So, is it really too hot to handle? Let's see. Where's the heat? Nothing. There's no spice. We need to work on this, Italy. Come on, my friend. When you name something too hot to handle, you've got to make it too hot to handle. Spicing it up a bit, you know? Spice is the variety of life.